Hello, welcome to another video. In this video, I make a spot welding machine using a battery. Remove the battery cover using a blade. We remove the cover of the positive part of the battery. We remove the cover to reach the carbon part of the battery. If you like the video so far, please subscribe. We polish the carbon rod using a file until it reaches the desired shape. This process takes a little time. You can use a drill to save your time. We separate the excess parts of the battery using scissors. Put the carbon rod in place. In this part, we fix the carbon rod in place using baking soda and drop glue. This is a wonderful combination. We connect the string of copper wires to the carbon rod. This adapter sample is required for the spot welding machine. We connect the wire that is attached to the carbon rod to the positive part of the adapter. I taught how to make this electric clamp in the previous video, and we connect the wire to the negative part of the adapter. The blades fuse together because electrical energy passes through a point at the same time. As you can see in the video, the spot welding was done correctly and the blades were connected. You can also perform this welding on metals that have a larger diameter. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and like the video to support me. Thanks for watching the video.